All right, lawn care family, this is Darian Perkins with another quick Cutz production. Premium lawn care coming to you all the way from Conyers, Georgia. We got to clean up today. It's not really that bad. We're going to turn it into a one-man job because I got some other little maintenance things I can do to be able to progress the company. And so right now, what you start seeing, we pulled a lot of these little weeds out here, but we're going to get a lot of these out to clean these hedges up right here. I'm gonna give you a tour of what it is we're gonna do and then come back and see the finished product. All right, gonna get a lot of these out. All right, over here we have the island. We're gonna lightly blow these leaves out the island, not enough to not to disturb the pine straw that bad so that we won't be adding more work to ourselves. Right here, we're gonna cut these hedges down, blow a lot of these weeds out of here. Same thing, we don't want to disturb the pine straw that much to make more work for ourselves. And all right, we got leaves in here, some small branches to kind of blow them out, and get these leaves over here to the driveway so we can suck these things up here. Also, if you see on the roof, we're going to do these gutters. We're going to get these gutters taken care of. Let me give you a tour on the other side so you can see what it is that we're going to be doing. And as I walk there, I'm just going to kind of take the scenic route so I can show you a wider view. All right. I'm with my son. This is gonna be a one-man job. As you see, we got the box truck gate open. We're gonna start off by closing that gate because he'll be the sole. That's the word I'm looking for. That's why I'm pausing. Just got that door put oiled and put the new cable on there, new Barbarians, you know, the rollers. Things coming down like butter. He's gonna be the sole contractor. That's the word I'm looking for on site. So we'll make sure that we protect our equipment. All right, so we're gonna get these hedges here done. Of course, in this cleanup, we're gonna do some weed eating, stick edging. We're gonna give them the works. All right. This is the bagger we're gonna use to suck up a lot of these weeds. All right, lawn care family, that's the job. Once it's complete, I'm gonna do another video and you're gonna see our final product of this quick Cutz production. All right, this is Darian cutting off, but you continue to cut on and I'll see you on the complete side.